Hello everybody, today we're going to be starting a whole civil war. It's not Hey, So basically, we're going to be going into Code Sigma, right? Code Sigma. Yeah, Sigma what? Trying to do a push-up. Yeah, every time I say something stupid, he has to do a push-up. Anyways.
Is Bush gonna blow me up with a bomb?
Yo, what is wrong with my money?
My money's gone. My
Bro,
money's
what does
gone.
what does my watch say? What does my watch say?
He has red watch. He has red watch. He has red watch. He has red watch.
Whoever's trying to kill me,
He died.
get this bag.
I got the shotgun.
I got something for free, man.
I killed a red watch.
People are in the Code Sigma now. Oh no, I saw Sigma. You know what?
You how did I not die?
I don't know. Just go hide, like in Ohio.
Bruh.
The server was already at war before we even joined.
Yas, girly.
Yo, he has the broccoli. He has the broccoli. He's eating it. He's a big boy now.
No, bro. No, bro. No. No.
Nah, bro.
Bro, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
I'm leaving. Bye bye. Wait, there's a guy with a rocket launcher? There's a bunch of stuff up here! There's a bunch of stuff on the teleporter!
Hello.
Give me. No, there's tripwires! Someone put tripwires up. Someone put tripwires up there.
Better put this in my backpack.
Test me.
Bruh.
He cooked himself. He cooked himself.
I don't have red watch. I just died.
Get him, get him, get him.
You jumped.
Yes, yes, you are.
Okay, baby.
Steal his pipes! Steal his pipes! That's what I'm saying.
Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob.
Why are you saying cuckoo and Jason?
Yo, stop killing me! Stop!
I'm killing him because he's zapping.
Who has red watch? Back up, back up! That kid's gonna bomb us! So get... No, I'm gonna kill you!
To help him get jumped.
I got a red watch. I stole someone's zipline gun.
Blue, sorry you had to witness that, Blue.
Where are all these kids? Okay, guys, we're gonna clip up.
None of us have red watch. This guy. Let's show this guy's weapon. He stole my bat. Take the bone. Ah, dang it, I missed.
Kill button.
Little bro
That
thinks
makes you go home.
he's our rare. Look at little bro.
To your home.
You could... Yeah, I got like 5 of them.
Alright, there you go.
Bro, guys, we got everybody to leave the code. Except for whoever this is.
Yo, guy, I stole a pumpkin from someone.